this application here and pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the old screen of the VPN application. Down here where you see United States, pretty much can tap on that option to see all the servers that they have available. As you can see, quite a lot, good amount of servers. So all you have to do is pretty much select whichever server you want to use. Let's say Canada, tap on that option there, and then you can go ahead and tap on the connection option here. We'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK. You're pretty much good to go. VPN will be connected in no time. So very easy VPN to use. Servers are fast, not gonna lie, they're very fast. So if I've missed anything in this tutorial, please comment below. I'll plan to help you out, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.